Howdy campers, I got a new stove. It was on sale on Amazon and I had to try it. I know it doesn't look like much. This is a Aomiun camping stove. It's one of those that burns twigs and leaves and whatever. And I happen to have some twigs and leaves around. In a few minutes to give it a try. It's supposed to be able to cook on it and warm yourself up and all that. That comes in a nice little plastic baggie. Oh, there's another bag. That's handy. I go camping on the motorcycle, and this might be handy. Add to my alcohol stove and my little portable gas stove and whatever else I have. And this is titanium. My first piece of titanium equipment. So excited. Watch wow. If you're too young to remember the DOGE doggy meme, that means nothing to you. We have a base plate. That's handy. We got 3 of these. Oh, look at that. They come apart. And it probably involves this right here. And maybe this right here. Ta-da! Okay. And maybe, look at that. Okay, there's 3 sides. Let's get the top and bottom, huh? This doesn't have instructions, and even though it's very simple and intuitive to put together, I am a counterintuitive person and have no clue what I'm doing. But I'm guessing doesn't want to get both sides at the same time. There we go. I just had to convince it. So, put them here. Okay. At some point, we'll have to do this. Or maybe this. Yeah. Wow. You gotta be smarter than whatever you're working with, apparently. Maybe. Maybe. No. This will be the 4th side once I get it all figured out. It's a nice case. Okay, let's play with the titanium without trying to bend it, and I'll be right back. Okay. You have an outie and an innie, or any outie, whatever. This side has to be to the inside, and this to the outside. Maybe that's why the writing's on the outside. it all fits that way. So let's get our final pieces together here maybe. Look at that, that fits. It's mostly solid. And these probably go somewhere. So you can stick a pot or something. Look at that. Helicopter. We get helicopters sometimes. So, there's our, can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, you can see it. Let me gather some twigs and leaves and I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, my camp mug fits right here. And it looks like a pot would fit right up here. Oh yeah, look at that. So, it would work fine for handling cooking chores as long as it gets hot enough. I got a few little leaves and branches, and I'm going to cheat and light a fuse here because I don't need to rub two sticks together to light a fire. And there's holes in the bottom of the plate so you get airflow. As long as you don't pile too much in at one time. Yeah. If I was smart, I would have piled all the leaves and stuff in, or at least the branches. The leaves are still damp. But pile the twigs on top. But nobody said I was smart. Shut up. No smart remarks from the peanut gallery. So this is when you start without smothering. And I'm trying to take it easy with the fire starter there, but look at that. Got a fire going-ish. Put my handy 2 sticks I rubbed together back in the drawer, the stick rubbing drawer, and the branches are catching. Would you like a closer look? Looky there, looky there. We got a fire going. Oh, it is. It makes a chimney so the heat rises, and that would actually be nice for warming your hands. So that's pretty nice, especially for the cheap price I paid. They had something else on sale from the same brand. And it was titanium, whatever it was, and maybe I should have looked. Because this works good, and nice addition to the family. So that's it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.